Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Let us revise the facts that we have learned in the earlier classes. Multiplication facts of 24 are 24 times 1, 12 times 2, 8 times 3, 6 times 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 divide 24 exactly. We say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Now, consider 7 times 1 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 14, 7 times 3 equals 21, 7 times 4 equals 28, 7 times 5 equals 35, 7 times 6 equals 42. We say that 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 are the multiples of 7. Prime numbers. A counting number that has no factors other than 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, etc. Composite numbers. Counting numbers other than 1 that are not prime are composite numbers. Composite numbers have at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. Coprime numbers. Two different numbers are said to be coprime numbers if they do not have any common factor other than 1. For example, 12 and 25 have no common factor other than 1. Tests of divisibility. To check whether a given number is divisible by a certain number quickly, we can perform the following divisibility tests. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example: 86, 350, 42, 84, 47, 78, etc. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Example: 612, the sum of the digits 6 plus 1 plus 2 equals 9. 564, the sum of the digits 5 plus 6 plus 4 equals 15. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4. Example: 3712, ones and tens digits is 12, which is divisible by 4. Highest common factor. We discussed in the previous class that the largest common factor of two or more numbers is their highest common factor, HCF. HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. HCF by prime factorization. If the numbers are not too large, then we use the prime factorization method. Example 1. Find the HCF of 80 and 110. Solution: 80 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 and 110 is equal to 2 times 5 times 11. We get common factors as 2 and 5. So, HCF is equal to 2 times 5 equals 10. Lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiples, LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest of the common multiples of the numbers. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. LCM by prime factorization. We use prime factorization to find LCM. We do prime factorization, collect largest number of occurrences of each prime factor and find the product of the collected prime factors, that is their LCM. Example 1. Find LCM of 64, 72, 80. Solution: 64 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 72 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and 80 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Largest number of times 2 occur is 6, 3 occurs is 2 and 5 occurs is 1. Thus, LCM of 64, 72 and 80 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 is equal to 2880. LCM by division. We use the following steps to find LCM of numbers by division method. 1. Write the given numbers in a row and divide them by prime factor, which is a common factor of the most of them. 2. Then write quotient and undivided numbers in a row just below the first row. 3. Continue the process till we get no prime factor is common to two numbers in the row. 4. Multiply all the divisors and the numbers in the last row, and we get the LCM as the product. Example 1. Find the LCM of 8, 16, 24 and 32. Solution. We use division method to find LCM of 2, 16, 24 and 32. LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 1 times 1 times 3 times 2 equals 96. Relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. For two numbers. Example 1. LCM of 105 and 84 is 420. Find HCF by using LCM. Solution. Word problems. Example 1. Find the smallest number of 4 digits, which when divided by 6, 8, 12 and 20, leaves no remainder. Solution. We have to find the LCM of the numbers. LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 1 times 2 times 1 times 5 is equal to 120.